Hi guys, Sam from Warpgate Studios. Hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I've done a video because I've been moving across the states and settled now into my new home, and I want to do a quick video on working with 3D FDM and how to like minimize these layer lines that we have on FDM prints. So, this is a little house, a World War II 1940s house that I'm working on currently, and to be honest with you, the details are very, very good, but on these sort of large panels you can kind of see there's some lines on here, and the best method that I have found to get rid of that is this paint called Technical Typhus Corrosion from Citadel Color. And it is a fantastic little paint that's actually got textures in it. It's got like a very powdery kind of texture, and it helps to camouflage most of this these lines on the buildings, on these FDM prints, quite nicely. This combined with a nice primer on the models actually really helps. So I'm going to kind of quickly show you today how good this goes. I've actually got some of the typhus corrosion already in another bottle, but all I really do to try and cover this up and give this a little bit of a texture, like more of a stucco kind of finish, is just pour some of this paint on here, and you'll see it starts to kind of sort of smush into the plastic anyway. But what I'm going to do is just get an old brush, because this has got a texture in it. You don't want to use your good brushes on here, and then literally just paint this on, and you'll kind of start seeing that there's a kind of a very fine texture that's on the that starts to smush onto the FDM print and help get rid of those layer lines. There's lots of sanding that you can do on FDM. There's lots of priming and stuff like that. But to get a stucco kind of finish on these products, grab some of this, give it a little bit of a texture. You can kind of stipple it on if you want to, just to get some of that on here. And you can give this another coat as well once you're finished. But it's really good to kind of help get rid of some of that texture, that layer line that you have on there. From 3D printed stuff, which is not the best when you're trying to make it look as good as possible. So yeah, have fun, and then what I'm going to do now is actually leave this to dry and then come back and show you what it looks like when it's dry, and then we'll have a look to see whether we need to give this another coat or not. But you can definitely see on there already just that texture being applied to it, and how it's changing and getting rid of those layer lines. But we'll come back once it's dry and take a quick look. So there we have it. There is the finished product, and as you can see, the stucco finishing looks great. A lot of the layer lines have been covered up. You can see the layer lines there on that side that I haven't done. Yeah, I think it's worked really well. You've got them covered up completely, you can't see them anymore, and you've got a nice little texture now for that stucco finishing that's on there. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and as I said, if it's a great little product from Games Workshop. So yeah, have a go, mess around with it. Appreciate you all for watching this. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.